We are getting ready for our first camping trip, and we are getting ready to put our BD5 Trailer Saver hitch into the bed of our GMC truck. This has air ride suspension, has 3 airbags and an onboard air compressor. And what this does is it prevents the trailer from chucking, and you can totally not tell that the 5th wheel is behind us. So this hitch has been fantastic. So what we've done to make it easy to get in the bed of the truck is we have put it on a motorcycle jack, and I'm going to show you, I built a plate on here so it can go on here easily. So I'm going to show you how we get it in here. Slide it back, pump it up, jack it up just a little bit above. It might be a little bit high. I think we're good right there. I'm going to unlatch, make sure it stays on there on the sides. Okay. Climb in the truck. We've got little handles on this plate to where I can just slide it right off into the bed of the truck. And I'm going to line it up right over where the hitch goes. And then I'll be able to slide the plate off and drop the trailer saver right down into the little hole. Try to line it up as close as I can to make it simple. I think that looks pretty good. Come up just a little bit. There we go. All right, now I'm going to lean it back. Slide this out. Now, I'm lined up pretty stinking close. Okay. Let's see if I can do it just a little bit more this way. It's not as easy without that plate on there. It's a little heavy. Okay, I'm not budging it, just a little bit. Okay, it's pretty good. Come forward over here just a hair. Okay. Drop it. Let's see here. How do I do? There we go. And I'm not quite lined up where I need to be. Okay, I'm gonna come back just a little bit. It's a little heavy. Boom. I heard that one. Okay. Starting to get a little worried there. All right, now I'm gonna unhook this. There. Now I'm gonna slide these pins or these back and to where we can slide their safety pin in there. That was a little bit tight. Slide this one over. then drop your pins to latch those together and you're ready to roll.